The overall goal of the following experiment is to demonstrate the seeded synthesis of rod and tetrapod-shaped multicomponent nanostructures consisting of cadmium sulfide and cadmium selenide. This is achieved by first preparing molecular reactive precursors. As a second step, the molecular precursors are reacted to form cadmium selenide seeds of wurtzite and zinc blende crystal structures. Next, the wurtzite and zinc blende seeds are used as a template for the growth of rod and tetrapod-shaped nanocrystals, respectively. The results demonstrate that choice of the crystal structure of the cadmium selenide seed affords precise control over the final morphology of the cadmium selenide-cadmium sulfide heterostructure.
Today, it is possible to make multi-component nanocrystals with independent control over the composition, phase, size, shape, even the connectivity of every component within the nanocrystal. To achieve this, we need to separate the nucleation from the growth, and this is done by performing nucleation and growth in independent and distinct synthetic steps.
Visual demonstration of this method is useful since small differences in technique can have a large impact on the final product obtained. With identification of the specific factors to which the nanocrystal synthesis is very sensitive, the reproducibility of these methods continues to improve.
Several of the chemicals used in these syntheses are acutely toxic and carcinogenic. Additionally, nanomaterials may pose other hazards beyond their bulk counterparts. Please use all appropriate safety measures, including engineering controls and proper protective equipment. Also consult the relevant material safety.